Today I'm going to show you how I do my experiment, and I did the first part because I put the volcano in the oven and I used it with dough and paint, and now I'm going to do the next parts. So the first part that you're going to do is you're going to fill this cup up to 8 teaspoons of water, and let me just get my water bottle. And I'm just going to fill it up to 8 tablespoons. There. Let's close it. Okay, now I'm gonna add the baking soda. I put it in a little container because when I just pour it in, it's kind of like hard. So I have it in a container. Goodness, this is hard. Oh, never mind, I got it. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 full scoops. Put that into here. I'm gonna add more baking soda in there. Okay, okay. Next, now I'm going to add my red food coloring. You're only supposed to put a little bit. You can't put a lot because then it's gonna turn out so red. No. Think about that.
You could put a little bit more.
Or a little bit more.
That's it.
But make sure that you have safety goggles for this. Okay, and then now you're gonna mix it. Okay, mix it until it's really light. Get the soap.
Open it.
It's not open. Not that much. And then you're gonna mix it again. Make sure this time it's gonna be really dark. Okay, now I'm gonna add this into my volcano, right? You need to add all of it in there. Okay, once you have this, then this is the most exciting part. You're gonna take your white vinegar. Now let me see where it is. Okay. You're gonna put a vinegar. You're gonna put 3 tablespoons of vinegar. And then watch and learn.
Wow. And why is this happen?
Well, this happened because if you mix the soap and if you mix the baking soda and the soap and the vinegar together, then it'll just come up, it'll pop up, and then it'll just spill everywhere, like how volcanoes really are.
Because it's carbon dioxide.
Because it's carbon dioxide gas. So that is gonna be my experiment for you guys today, and I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you another time when I do another experiment for school, because this experiment I'm gonna do for school tomorrow, and I'm supposed to do it in front of the 20 people except for me because I'm doing it by myself. Well, yeah. So that's my experiment for you guys. So thank you guys, and I'll see you another time.